Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss very important topic regarding to any product and specifically Azure Cloud, which is support. That means a support request to Azure Cloud backend team so they can fix our issues, and I will tell you about what kind of issues or how we can use those requests for which purposes and why we need that. So I will discuss this in this tutorial, and now I will briefly explain about different types of Azure support, because Azure have like four different plans for their support request to backend teams, and accordingly they will assign some support engineers to fix the issue or help us. So let me show you first about the plans. So right, I mentioned there are four plans for Azure support. One is basic, developer, standard, professional, direct. These are four kinds or types of subscription which we purchase from Microsoft. So according to that we have some privileges regarding to support, and if we want we can purchase separately that, and the prices are like different for different kind, and there are some different parameters which they will cover under a specific kind or type. So like the basic support is the first one, and we cannot open like specific request. As you can see here, there the column and row is empty, that box is empty, but the others we have like some severities, like in development or developer type we have privilege to open C severity case or ticket, and same like in other, like it depends on how much money you are going to pay to their support, and what kind of subscription you already have. So according to that you can just go through this document. I don't want to go one by one, but just for your information I just show you. And right now I am using the developer kind for these tutorials, so I am going to create severity C tickets or support requests. So let me show you how we can achieve. For example, I am in the resource group, and I have some problem under my resource group or any resource under this. I can just go to the left side, and under support plus troubleshooting I just need to click new support request. So if I click here, it will just take all resources specifically under this resource group. So we just go with this. So here I will show you how we can create, and we just select the topic regarding to what thing. If I have billing issue or subscription issue or some limitation of quota or technical, I just go with the technical part, and I will choose my subscription here. And if I will select my services, I will get some resources name, and if I go with all, so there will be long list. So to simplify I just go with the small one, and I use this category virtual machine running Linux, and then resource group, then summary info about my VM, just an example, and the problem type regarding to which part. So I just go with performance, for example performance, and under performance maybe throughput of disk, and then just click next. and it shows more options and so much things, and we just go normally with the next. Here we just select specific time where we got some problem, or if we don't know we just choose not sure, and here we give them right to like still occurring or not. So just need to fill some details about this specific part, and here I just describe more. My VM has issues, and what issues I can just go with one by one like this, so it's easy for the backend team to troubleshoot. And if you have some error file or some message, you can upload here, and you can give it like some acceptance from your side that they can use like diagnostic information from backend. And here I mentioned like I have developer plan, so I can only create like server TC, which means the SLA time for backend team is 8 hours. Within 8 hours they can reach me, and I can select the option live chat, email, or phone. So we just go with the phone or email, so they will directly contact by these. And sport language, you can choose any language which is convenient for you. And here we just go with the contact and go next. It will just go through like basic confirmation, and then we just press the create, and it goes to that backend team. That's the small tutorial about how we can create a request to backend team and why we need such kind of issue, because sometimes there are like problems regarding to some errors, and we are not sure why and how we can fix. So we need like backend team support, so they can guide us, because they have like backend environment of all Azure resources, and they have more professional skills to handle quickly. So without wasting your time, we just go them and uh, ask how can we fix those problems. So that is also very important in cloud or any kind of product if you are using. So sport is important recently these years, because there are multiple products we use, and we are not so much expert in every single product, so we need backend team support. So this is the way how we can achieve. And also we can uh, go directly to the resource. For example, I have a problem with this NSG, and the request directly goes to the backend team of network, Azure network team. And we don't need to specifically tell them where is the issue, and mostly things covered here, like which problem, and it's same, almost same, but easy for backend team to pinpoint the issue if we just go directly inside that specific resource rather than our resource group, because it covers all. So it's a mess for them to see which is the actual problem. So for today, that's the tutorial. It might help many of you, so good luck with that. And that's the end of Azure 900 tutorials. And in the next one I'm going to start Azure administrator as Az-104 right now. So next will be that, and hopefully you will like that as well. And we will do more detailed tutorials, because Az-900 was a fundamental, so I didn't focus so much on specific thing. But in Azure 104 will be a little bit more lengthy tutorials. Okay, good luck and bye bye.